Hold on. I'm setting up I need to set up a profile picture for Mike.
So when do we join?
Right. In like a couple of seconds. Wait, Mike, you're still Mike Blur.
He can't change his name. Somebody with the same exact Discord tag has the same tag.
There's only
But
one
General
tag per
Seagull.
person.
Yeah, I'm trying to make him a profile picture for
Are you
that.
giving like a general hat? Is that what you're doing, Bacon?
I just see Seagull join.
Seagull joined.
This is gonna be. Oh, someone left.
Oh no.
Alright.
Who
This
left?
is gonna be epical.
Oh no.
Who left?
I don't know.
Alright.
What?
Seagull
I'm
is
still here.
joined.
I'm here, okay.
I don't know who left because it's just all Seagull.
Seagull left, obviously. You guys were...
Oh my god, Seagull left. Oh
Fucking
man.
idiots.
Man. All right, y'all ready for this raid?
Alright, let me start recording.
Yeah.
Hold
Yeah.
on.
Oh, hey,
Oh,
Seagull's
Seagull's
back.
back.
Seagull!
Seagull. Oh my
Let's go
god.
in the flowers one.
Okay.
Uh-oh, they noticed the seagulls.
All right, I'm joining.
I had the same problem.
It's
All right.
Seagull.
Mike,
Join the call. Join the call. Go.
Flowers?
Go into go to singing. Go.
No!
Flowers, no flowers, flowers.
Flowers.
Flowers. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, we're joining the call. Okay. Mine? Oh, I can't join.
Oh.
Everyone's singing.
Mine.
Oh my god, Brian.
I heard echo.
Thank you.
Fine. It's mine.
I can't join that one. There's too many of us.
It's only 10.
Oh,
I know.
I accidentally clicked mention and it just...
I can't tell which seagull is typing.
No.
Oh no,
Oh,
we
wait,
got
We got
Mine.
Why did you guys join? There was like 4 people in that call.
Because there's only 10 that could join.
Why didn't you just join
Mine.
All right, new server, go.
I'm still in the sweaty chancla. I'm gonna
What?
just that one.
we got banned.
They didn't ban me. They
I can
didn't
never
ban
join
me.
her server. She's one of my favorite YouTubers, but oh well.
That was amazing.
They didn't ban me.
Uh-oh.
Are we
They-
I was
kicked?
banned.
What?
I was banned.
No, it's a kick. I can join
I
back.
saw them ban you.
I can
Alright.
join back. I was banned unjustified. I sat in voice chat unmuted in silence.
I wasn't talking. I was just saying how was everyone. I wasn't doing anything.
I couldn't
Alright.
stop laughing. All I heard was
All
mine.
right, someone get a server that actually we can all
Wait.
join to start screaming mine.
Hold
Come
on, my
go.
friend has a server and
Alright.
she's got like 100k. Let me see if she'll let us.
Wait.
Mine?
Is there like someone in group chat?
Perfect server.
I don't know.
That's not a
Try to get
server.
I'm trying
That's
to.
not a server.
I can't join. You actually got to set a server. I can't like click on that.
Link invitation.
I
Yes, in-
kind of would
I don't
suggest
wanna-
my server, but my server's full of idiotic children, so
Do it. No balls.
Let's go.
there's nobody in voice chat right now.
Okay, we need people in voice chat. Everyone find a voice chat.
I could yell at them to get in voice chat, but
No, don't do that. That's not a raid. We actually need
Yeah.
to raid someone else's server.
raid my own server. I was gonna say I could
Raid
be my
server.
friend's server, but I'm a mod there, and I don't feel like
Mike.
getting yelled at. So.
Mike, change your name to. Oh, he did it! He changed his profile picture.
Your name to
Yes.
Mike is muted though. Mike, you need to be
Oh, that's
unmuted.
Mike that's
Alright,
muted?
yeah.
Hold on. I need to fix this. I need to fix the profile picture. I did it wrong.
What do you mean you did it wrong?
I did it
You did it
wrong.
wrong. It's a seagull.
Yeah, I did the sequel wrong.
All right, someone find like a furry server.
That's what my friends is.
Send it.
Send it. We're all gonna raid that one. Let's raid that one. Let's just
I'm
raid that
asking
one.
her.
Let's go,
I'm
let's go.
asking
Don't
her.
ask her. That's what a raid
Yeah,
is.
she's
Don't
I don't
ask
even
her.
enter server.
This is raid.
It's called a raid for a reason. They're not supposed to know.
She doesn't care if we raid.
Then that's not a raid.
Right?
It's funny because their mods take it so seriously.
Oh wait, are there people in voice chat?
I don't know.
Then
I'm not in it. I'm
What?
supposed to be an admin, but I always leave because their server pings too much. They ping like 40 times a day.
Then what's the point of even? We need to.
It's good to be annoying.
This is supposed to be a funny video, not a thing that we're supposed to be discussing.
Hang on, let me check the Discord for like a furry server.
That's what my friend says. It's called Hand 'em Over, and it's got almost 1,000 members.
You're close. Hand 'em over.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna look for other
The
furry servers
Foxden
though.
Furry
We can raid.
Discord, 17,000 members.
Mike, change your name. Change your name to General Seagull.
All right, the general has to go. Right.
Hey, there we go.
What?
Copy, paste, enter.
All right, everyone. All right. I'm banned. I'm banned.
Oh,
Of course you are.
Banned?
alrighty.
You're banned from the
Wait. It says invalid invite.
No,
Then you're banned.
Yeah.
It's valid for me.
You're
I'm
banned.
not
Back
banned.
again.
We're back.
Why are
Can you send it
banned?
again? Wait, whose server is it?
The Foxden.
Furry Discord.
Oh, I got banned from that
There are
server a
people in
while
general-
back.
There are people in
I
general.
got banned from that server. I can't go in.
Alright,
That's not
I'll
fair.
join you, Brian.
We're
I
technically
need to get a roll
furries.
from
We're
something.
talking in like
Oh,
Wait.
human.
Oh wait, I got Furry Noxus. Wait, is that it?
That is the most popular one.
Wait, all right, General Seagull,
I am banned in that server. I don't know about you.
the Furry
We should all be
Noxus.
banned in
We
that
can't join
server.
voice
I'm
chat.
banned in both of them.
You know what disturbs
Yeah, I
me?
think
They
we're
have a
fucked.
bot that's like, "Welcome to the Furry Nexus. Before joining, we need to know a little about you.
Ooh.
What's your
really?
name?"
All right. Join a
Okay.
server that's actually. We need a server that actually
No.
works because this is going downhill pretty fast.
All right,
We need,
how they ask
This
how
is gonna-
old you are.
we need to at least be
I
10 minutes
am
in.
18 plus.
Great furry wings.
What's your persona?
I got what?
I am
Now, I just thought of
Seagull.
something.
What?
a ramble.
We're just going into voice chats and saying mine.
Right.
Mine.
Mine.
Oh no,
Yes.
they're gonna see my application.
I set
Oh,
an
no.
application.
Why?
Why?
Can't tell which seagull said that one. One sec, I got
They're gonna ban me.
I like our general.
All right, we need. All right, so everyone start looking for servers and start posting them in. We need this video to at least be.
I'm already looking.
10 minutes. I clicked Fortnite. Fuck.
Fortnite. We should join the Fortnite server and just start spamming mine.
Got it.
Wait, you can actually
Yeah,
go to
let's
server.
do it.
We can actually go to add. Remember the server discovery.
Yeah.
All right, which server should we join? Roblox. Who wants to go to Roblox?
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
do
Yo.
Roblox then.
Alright, that sounds good.
Roblox account first.
Oh no, fuck that. Never mind.
No,
Fortnite.
we don't have to. We don't have to.
Oh, we don't have to? They changed it?
We don't have to. But there isn't a voice chat, so
There's no voice chat in here. We have to leave. Nope, there's no voice chat in here.
How about we do
We're
a
in-
Fortnite one?
Wait, r/TF2. There's people in TF2, and we can't talk in the TF2.
F.
Right.
God
Fuck.
damn.
F.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna join it real quick. We can talk in there if you join.
Awesome.
All right, where's
Where-
send it.
r
Wait,
slash
wait.
TF2?
Art/TF2. Where the hell is it? I'm
Sl-
looking here.
Just search /r/TF2.
r/TF2. Just
Like,
TF.
the
Here.
searching for a subreddit.
Wait, what?
r/TF2.
Yeah, you
Alright.
can invite.
All right, I found it. Just type in TF2 and search discovery.
Yeah.
Let's all just
Alright.
join. Hold on. First, let's all
Hold
just join Talking Group 2, okay?
All right,
Hold on.
ready?
Wait,
No,
wait,
I'm
wait,
not.
wait.
No, I'm not. Hold
All right,
on.
hurry up.
No,
This
hold
video
on, I'm
has to be-
Can you
retarded.
guys send the invite? I can't.
No, we
Yeah, I'm
can't.
retarded.
Just type in TF2.
What the heck?
Hold on.
Oh, that thingy. Okay.
Wait up.
Can I
I'm
do that?
retarded.
I
Alright.
can't.
Tell me when you
Wait,
see the
wait, wait,
TF2
wait, wait.
thing.
I'm in
Oh, I found
Oh,
Two?
it. Is it the view thing? View.
Yes.
Discovery.
do you have to be on PC for we?
Yes,
Oh
yes,
wait,
yes,
she's
yes,
on
yes.
phone. Oh, she's on phone.
Oh no.
Ah.
Oh, wait a second.
How about we raid Super Server?
No, because then
Wait,
everyone
no.
knows who we are.
No, just join it. Just hang out. Just join Hangout for a second.
Oh my god, hold on.
No,
Oh,
wait.
the only one who's in there is Luke.
Luke can taste our bowls.
He, okay, Bacon just.
I found the link to the Discord server.
All right, send.
Send it.
All right,
The link is
everyone.
Discord.gg/TF2.
All right, wait, what?
All right.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
General Seagull.
Are you
General
ready?
All right, General Seagull, tell us
Gen-
when ready.
I don't want to get banned from this server.
Shut
Are
up!
we going? Are we going to the talking room?
right.
Sacrifices must be made.
Everyone. The Mine Army. 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna
Join.
join talking group too.
All right, join. Talking room. Talking room. Go.
Mine.
Okay. This is definitely.
Mine.
This is
Mine. That was fun.
Can we don't ever do that again? That was just antagonizing my
Everybody's
ears.
leaving.
Mine.
That
Or
just
does
like
the
attacked
seagulls?
Oh my god.
No
We
Seagull.
get killed.
On camera.
Woo!
We did it.
All right, I think we should do one more
We
server.
did it.
Everyone, we need one more server than Mine
Wait,
Army.
why
You
didn't I
ready?
get kicked?
We didn't get kicked. We all just left.
Yeah. They
All
don't
right, the Mine Army. We need one more server, and do you know what that
One more
server
server.
is?
Colin, I'm gonna
Fortnite.
join the mine
The
and then
Fortnite
leave.
server.
Oh yes, here we go.
Oh, heck yeah.
We need to raid the Fortnite army. We need to get rid of them.
Wait, hold on. I gotta. I was the 50,000th pig on the welcome.
Shut up!
Congratulations.
Congratulations!
Cunt.
All right,
Legendary.
the army. Stupid bitch.
I got the 50,000th pig.
No one cares.
Shut up. All right, we need an.
Mine.
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 Wait. I just
Mine?
thought of something.
What?
What?
Fortnite makes their chats so you can only for like squads and stuff. There's not a dedicated talking room.
Aw.
We could just have the Seagull squad there. Like,
Have 2 squads of seagulls. When have two seagulls interrupt like duos or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo, Brian.
Oh wait, we have 1,
Brian,
2, 3, 4.
Brian, let's
5.
play. Go to
We
fire
have enough.
team.
We have enough. We have enough people to do it.
I'm not in the server.
We need a server IP.
All right.
She has a phone.
Oh, that's right.
Hang
Yeah,
I'm
hold
gonna
on.
Fortnite link.
It's just discord.gg Fortnite.
Yeah.
All right, everyone. 3.
Wait,
Wait, someone's
no.
muted.
Wait,
Who's
no.
muted? Mike
no.
is muted.
No,
Who's
no.
muted?
No, hold on.
What?
It's Springy. Springy's muted.
We need.
Springy, unmute
Hold on,
yourself.
hold on.
General.
Hold on. No, I gotta bring somebody in. I'm gotta bring somebody in.
Noah.
We got. Noah has to change his profile picture to a seagull.
Yeah. I'm
Normie.
I got the 5,000 pig.
Just say one of us. Just say one of us.
One of us.
One of us. What? No, everyone type mine in the chat. 3, 2, 1, go.
Copy and paste time.
I can't even copy and paste.
He's done. He did it.
He did it. He needs to change his name to Seagull now.
Mine.
Hold on. We need to.
He needs to join.
What?
Ew.
How do you know?
Noah.
Noah, change your
No,
name to
he
Seagull.
did
Change
it.
name to go and do not disturb.
Go and do not disturb, Noah.
Man,
You gotta
I can't
blend
tell
in.
who is who. Oh, I just found me. Never mind.
Also, no. I'm gonna need you to request to change your thing from traps
To mine.
No,
to nothing.
All right. Have we told him the plan?
Hang on. My
Well, we.
Alright. Noah,
AIDS.
this is
I
our
can't
plan.
find the
We're going
Fortnite
to
server. Oh my god, hold on.
we're going to random servers and we're saying mine in group chat. We're raiding their servers by screaming mine over.
Hold on.
and
I'm
over
getting a
and
arachnid.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
wait.
Nice.
And we're recording
We should
this, so you're on a video. Hello.
Okay, we should join a battle royale thing
All right,
because it's
every-
like the
wait.
least amount of people.
Hold on. Okay. I asked if he wants to, if Iraq wants help, and he went away.
Noah, change your name to Seagull.
I did. Refresh
did?
Discord, you idiot.
He did. It's just Discord.
Oh, okay.
Time updating for you.
Alright.
Yeah.
I don't see his
Yeah,
profile picture.
hold on. I'm trying to find another server we can go
Control
into.
R.
All right, yeah, get another server because we need a server that has a lot of people in a Discord chat.
We had Fortnite, didn't we?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
did,
but
but
there's a
the-
problem with Fortnite.
the squad thing.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people muted in Battle Royale, general.
Yeah, that's why we don't want to go in there.
Hang
Yeah.
on, my G-Force experience is being aged. I can't record right now.
All right, Noah can
I can-
record.
What am I?
Wait, did you actually? Wait, did you get the other parts? That we
I
did?
like how Noah, right as he says, I can record. I say Noah can record, and then you get mad.
I'm not mad.
Yeah.
It's just that I'm listening.
Brian, did you get the other raids we did?
Wait,
no.
I know a server we can go
Didn't
into.
get 'em.
What?
And we can go into the server.
We didn't get the recording. Someone needs to record this.
Just pull-
Since the first raid.
Oh,
Wait,
seriously?
we can,
Send
we
it
can
to me
do
when
the
you're done.
R6 server. We can do the R6 server.
Do
Oh my
it.
God.
Do
Let's
it.
do it. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Do it.
All right, General Mine. You ready for battle?
Wait, what are we doing?
All right,
Oh.
all right, everyone. 3,
Wait,
2.
wait, wait.
I
Server.
I
This
can't
is
go
right
into
there.
anything. Hold on.
Are we doing general? Are we doing general?
General
We
chat.
gotta do
Got
lounge.
it. Got it. Got it.
All right, lounge
It's 10
server.
minutes. I have to wait 10
Where?
minutes.
Where? Oh,
Yeah,
The lounge.
3.
Voice chat?
We have to wait.
Hang on,
Wait.
hang on.
There we go.
I can't join
You
yet.
have to
Oh my
wait.
God.
There's a 10-minute timer.
All right. While we wait for Siege, let me check the payday
I
server.
don't know.
The payday server.
I
No
don't
one
Time
is.
on that too.
No one's active on the payday server.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave. I think I'm tired of reading. I'll see you, Lucy.
Fine.
We lost
Damn.
one.
We lost
Damn.
one.
Sorry,
losing.
but
Alright.
Gamer down.
Should we
I
go on the
served
lounge?
my time.
Gamer down.
It's been an honor, man.
Gamer down.
Can we get one of those like
Wait, what about Jablinski
sounds?
server? Yes,
Wait, who?
Yes, Jablinski server.
Yes.
Wait. Jack Black has a Discord server?
And
Oh my god.
yeah, there's gonna be kind of a problem with that server as well.
What?
Where's the
Does
invite?
he
Nobody's
actually-
in General 1.
Where
Does
are they
he
in?
actually have his own
General
Discord server?
3.
Is there?
Jack-
Is it full?
It's
Discord.
only.
Oh, I gotta see.
The goal's back. The goal's back.
I'm still here, but here. Wait, hold on. This is for my disappearance,
Wait,
boys. I'm
Jab-
sorry.
Wait, who's in this server?
I don't know.
Jablinski.
All right.
No,
I'm
no,
gonna just
Carson.
say my
Not in-
goodbyes, guys.
Voiceover Pete, Ricky Berwick.
Hold on.
All right. You guys ready
Here's
to
my
join?
goodbye.
Oh, there is. Call me Carson.
Here's my goodbye.
Alright, are we doing general?
We have lost one, my folks. We shall salute. Everyone, salute our fellow seagull. Mine.
I'm still rooting, and you guys can
Mine.
Dude, Mia Khalifa's in the general.
Mine.
This server.
This looks so sad.
Mine.
Seagulls, salute.
Yeah.
Fine.
Mine.
Mine.
What?
Mine.
Mine.
You shall be disbanded, my fellow seagull.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go to
It
the.
was an honor serving alongside you, men.
Let's go
You.
to.
Mine.
Thank you for your service.
Mine.
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 Let's go
Mine.
to Jablinski server.
Okay,
Let's go-
bye.
Let's go to Jablinski
Bye,
server.
fellow seagull.
What are we gonna do in Jablinski's server?
Type mine.
Go in general
In the
3.
general chat. No, go in the
That
general
wouldn't work. We
1.
actually need to
Oh,
go
yeah,
to we
true.
actually need to go to chat. All right, whoever's
Just
recording,
join
send me
General
the general two.
Yeah, just join
Is there anyone in there?
They're
No.
putting websites down.
Just no, join General 1. Join General 1, just so
Okay.
people can
Alright.
join.
3,
Okay.
2, 1.
Mine.
Mine.
All right.
What?
Now we wait. We wait.
Shh, we wait.
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 Mine.
Shh.
Mine.
Mine. Shh.
Mine.
Well, there they go.
Mine. Mine.
Mine.
Mine.
Mine.
Mine.
Mine.
Dude, don't worry.
Beautiful.
Well, I
Music to
mean,
my ears.
they joined,
Wait.
so
Alright, we need
we
one
were
more
just having
server, my
fun,
fellow
and they
minds.
joined,
One
so
more
it's
server.
One more
kind of
server.
their fault.
One more server, and then our video is over. Whoever's recording, send me the video file, and we'll get it edited and stuff.
You know, it's kind of unfair
Alright.
because they're the ones who joined the VC.
Alright, everyone, just leave the server. Go, 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 go.
What?
Leave the server. Leave the
No,
server.
I'm sorry. I'm not leaving this server.
Okay, that's fine.
If
Yeah, I'm
only
not
had
leaving.
invite
I
to
left.
that
I don't
server.
want to see Mia
I just
Khalifa
left.
anymore.
Alright, we need one more server. Who has another server?
Not me.
Oh.
I'm sorry. As a mod, Matt, for some reason, Matt's invite isn't showing up.
I'm banned.
Wait. I think I got it.
Same.
Ready?
Same.
Yeah, what?
If
Shh, shh,
I
shh.
disable streamer mode, does that give me access to that invite again?
I'm gonna be right back.
We lost the fellow mind, my
No,
fellow.
he said he'll be right back.
All the streamer mode does it.
Oh, I got the invite.
Wait, actually? For real?
I'm scared because I'm a mod, so he'll probably just aim after me.
But some of us are banned.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's right.
I'm not banned on my
Oh,
own.
we got our fellow Seagull back. Alright, we need one more server.
I wonder
One more
what-
server.
Let's see here. One sec, let me just,
Wait, I know the perfect server.
could I just-
Wait, how about the Minecraft server? How about the Minecraft server?
No, they don't have a voice chat.
One sec.
Oh.
You guys,
Hey,
What about the
I'm
GTA?
hearing
What about the
something.
GTA chat? Ooh, what about the GTA server?
What is
Hey,
this?
There's
I
no-
just have a
Invite me.
Unban me, unban me, unban me.
I'm not even banned, so I'm good.
Invite.
Wait, which server is that?
Look at this, guys.
Matt
Wait,
server.
which server is that? Wait,
This is
exit out of
Matt's.
that? Exit out of that?
Is there anyone in the group chat
I'm in-
though? There's someone in the voice chat.
I'm in a different server.
Unban and invite me, please.
What?
I'm in a
Hey,
different
guys,
server.
I have the perfect server.
Dude, that didn't take
Call me Carson server!
Oh, no.
Alright, everyone.
Oh
You guys
no,
ready?
no.
Yes.
Let's go.
I was
Let's
already in
go.
his server.
Alright, everyone. Every Seagull we have. Ready?
Ready?
3.
Wait,
Two.
which one? Which one? Which one?
Call me Carson. Call me Carson. Discord.
I know, but I know,
The
but
first-
which VC?
it's
Which
down.
VC?
Who's in the VC? Who's in the VC?
Lobby.
Let's go to lobby 2. Let's go to lobby 2. Lobby 2.
Lobby
Okay.
2. Wait. 3, 2, 1, go! Mine.
Me too. Acquire the toast.
Yo, did someone call for a nut?
Mines.
Somebody started playing the Lions.
Did you see how many people joined that chat as soon as we joined?
Bruh, I ended the footage off with, did someone just call a nut?
All right. Whoever has the footage, send it to me. If you can tell which one I am, but okay. Wait, I'm the one with the crown on me, so you can.
Yeah, sure. Wait, you can't see me, can you? Oh, that's a real predicament.
Good job, everyone. I'm proud of you, my fellow
Okay.
seagulls. Good job.
Stay respectful.
Now we can go back to normal.
Yep, back to
Most
normal.
of the time, I just couldn't stop laughing.
I just see everyone start joining as soon as the raid started.
Let's all change back to normal at the same time.
Okay.
Someone's like, mine's just a mixed bag, and I'm like, mine?
Alright,
what?
let's all change back at the same time.
Okay.
My files
Ready?
are too powerful.
Send it through Dropbox.
Tell me when everybody's ready.
Right,
I'm not ready.
I'm
Ready for
ready.
what? Ready for what?
We're gonna change back all at the same time.
Hold on, I'm not ready. I gotta get a picture real quick.
Yeah, I gotta get my profile picture.
Yeah, I gotta get my
I got
profile picture.
I got mine as well.
Wait,
Hold on, I need to
wait,
get mine real
wait.
quick. Fuck, I can't even find drawings of me anymore. Alright, I found one. Okay, we're good.
Wait.
I'm gonna look like a spoon. Alright,
Wait,
I'm ready.
wait, I'm not ready. Shush.
You ready for some football?
If you're ready, say I.
Aye.
I.
3, 2,
Alright.
1, go. There's still people who are seagull.
Hang on. I was a little late.
I was really...
Good job, my fellow people.
I see mostly everyone I see mostly everyone is seagulls right now.
I'll text you guys when the next raid will be.
There we
It will
go.
be next week.
Hold on, let's
But it'll be a different one instead of the mines.
We're back to normal now.
Alright.
Alright, everyone's back. Everyone's back now.
Alright.
Alright, so we gotta think of an idea.
Send me it through Dropbox, by the way, if you recorded it. That's how you send it through. Wait, can you send it like that, Brian?
What?
Video file's too big.
Wait, I got an idea!
Yeah, alright.
I got an idea!
What's your idea?
Okay, hold on. Let me find it.
I still see seagulls.
Give me a second. Scroll up, copy,
Huh?
paste, run. Wait.
A bunch of
There's another.
Okay, here's my plan. A bunch of people go as
That's mad.
One person be Nemo. One person be Nemo. And then the rest are seagulls.
No, how about let's one of us go, two of us go Mufasa and Scar, and a bunch of us just go Bull. And just assume
And just say moo. Everyone just says moo.
No, here's what we do. What we do is we just go
Alright, that's next week's raid. Everyone we need someone to tag
wanna do
that.
that now. That sounds fun.
Should we do that now? Or then
Yes.
Mine.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, everyone
I'll-
someone get a bull picture. Who's gonna be Mufasa
No,
and who's
okay.
gonna be
Hold on, let me get.
Alright, I'm
Bull.
already done. I'm bored.
I'll be the bull.
Yeah, same.
I'll be the bull.
No, two people were.
I'll be a bull.
Oh, I'll find a picture.
Wait, who are we losing?
You're
A lot
losing
of
that guy,
people.
Brian.
You're losing Brian and who else? I
Weren't
heard
they
someone else get bored.
wildebeest? Or no, not with.
We need to find people to do this.
We need to get Ark in here. Get Ark in here.
Yeah, because
Plan
Pumbaa
our
they're saying is a
books.
bull. What the heck is it? Pumbaa's like a hog.
Wait, someone needs to be Simba, and just say.
Oh,
Someone has to say, "Long live the king."
No, one of us just goes Simba, then they just have to scream, because that's
Oh,
what
I can-
Simba does in the scene.
I could be Scar.
Long live.
Long live
Long
the king.
live the king.
Long live the king.
The king.
Y'all wanna see
live the
y'all
king.
wanna see what inspired me
Long
to do
live
this?
the king.
Long
Can't
live
tell.
the king.
Is there a way to make this any better? Nope, that's the highest quality.
Oh, this is awful.
One of us has to be the bird.
No, none of us be the bird.
The bird's useless.
Oh, we only need Scar and Mufasa because the more of the whatever those are there are, then yeah.
Wildebeests.
Okay, yeah, the more wildebeest there are, the better it is.
All right, so we need another. We need. Wait, how many people? Wait, how many people can be in a group chat? Like 12? Hold on.
10.
10. All right, we need 2 more.
We
people.
need a dedicated server if we wanted to do that.
Let's do it.
We need Arachn. Well, Arachn, I don't think he can't do it. It's like, all right. How about War Clips? Anyone know War Clips? Because I have him on. He does stupid crap like this.
Okay, so
Doc
this is
works?
all. Oh, Doc, yeah, sure. I'm pretty sure he'd want to do it.
He'd be in.
Yeah. So we get Doc. Trixie. Haha. Low XD. I'm proud of
Can we
you.
can we get banned from Discord for this?
No, not at all.
No.
Okay. I mean,
Well,
why can he get banned?
if Call Me Carson made 3 videos on it, and
Wait.
Discord hasn't said anything, I
Who
think
made
we
the
should
video,
be
by the
fine.
way?
Ooh,
Shade.
yes.
I recorded some of it.
Who recorded like the really good parts of it?
I recorded from start to
Probably
now.
Shade.
All right, whoever
I
did
can
that
edit
from
it.
start to, I'll tell you what to edit in it. All right. Someone get a good picture of Scar and some of Mufasa, and the rest we need wildebeests. Wildebeests. Right. All right. I will get so we're getting Doctorworks.
Yeah, hold on, we gotta ask him.
I'll ask him. That was funny, I swear.
Just switch your profile picture to this.
Alright.
Alright, Araxin.
Yes.
No, I think we should get a better picture than that. Alright, we need to explain the plan to him. He didn't join. Okay, he just didn't do anything. Okay, that's beautiful. This is good enough.
Oh god.
All right,
You know what? Fuck it. I'm joining.
Alright.
Cameron. Oh.
What are we gonna name the thing?
Alright.
The wildebeest.
Wait, I'm pretty sure if we change our name again, we'll have it either stuck as Wildebeest, Scar, or Mufasa.
I don't care. It'll be stuck
Who
for like a
cares?
couple of days. It'll be stuck for like a couple of days.
Not even for a couple of days, it's gonna be like 1 hour.
I can't.
Oh my god, thank you, Google, for telling me about Apex on Twitch. I'm totally gonna use this
Wait.
information now.
How do you spell wildebeest?
Wildebeest.
Wilabest. Beast.
Here. No, we should all switch our profile pictures to this instead.
Wait, what? I guess.
Alright.
Which one?
The one
The one
that's
I
the
just
big
sent.
one.
Just the one. Snipping tool time.
We need to make it all the same, so whatever he's use a snipping tool for, then yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so Abby's not gonna be in here, just
Oh, okay.
All right.
Wait, where's Abby?
Who's my
Wait, where's Abby's profile? Does it say? It's this one.
There we go.
Remove from group.
Snip, snip. Which one will I snip?
There we go.
No, we don't need. We're not getting Simba. Well, we can, but then the person just has to scream a bunch. Because that's all Simba does.
No.
How's this look?
Yes.
I was saying we just like do something like this, but I like that one better. I like that one better.
I called him a picture. Yes, man.
Wait, no. Oh, I'm an idiot. I could have saved that image.
Huh.
I think I got Doc Torch to join. He said sure. I'm adding him.
Oh, okay, good.
And a friend of DM.
All right, I'll be a wildebeest.
I'll be a wildebeest. Who's being Mufasa and Scar? I know who's being Scar. Who's being Mufasa?
Someone be the other half.
All right, I can't change my name. I can't change my name.
I can't change my name or profile.
All right. Someone explain to Doc Torch what we're doing.
We are raiding.
Wow, really?
Any simpler than that. Change
I like Noah's profile picture.
That's a boy.
FBI, open up.
Oh shit.
Doc, that's a man.
You're a man.
No, you.
He has a big pee.
All right. So what we're doing is we're gonna do the part from no, fucking Madagascar.
All right, okay. I can explain it. Madagascar. Alright, I can explain it. Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna be recreating the part where Scar kills Mufasa and the Lion King. So we're gonna have a bunch of people that have wildebeest, and as soon as
Yeah,
like
I can't
they killed, as soon as whoever decides to be Scar kills Mufasa, all we do is go. Alright.
Well, I'll be the wildebeest then. I'll be another wildebeest.
We should do the OK Buddy retard server.
Alright, I got my. Alright.
I'll be right
Change the
back.
profile picture to a wildebeest. And who's me, Mufasa?
I don't know who wants to be Mufasa. I have a feeling Noah does.
Give me a picture of Mufasa, I'll do it.
Long live the
No,
king.
I got it. I got a picture.
Long live the
Oh,
king.
look.
Well, here's the thing: we can't click the picture to go to Mufasa like you can on your phone.
Long.
Here. Let me
I
clip
don't
it.
think I'll be able to. I have to go soon.
Let me clip it.
Okay, I could change my avatar by.
Yeah, we can't change our names because we already changed it too many times. We already changed it twice. It's only gonna take an hour for us to change it.
I'm gonna have to look at this scene again. I forgot how it goes.
I forgot how it
We.
goes. I forgot how he died. I gotta make sure I get in high detail.
Those are the wildebeest, and then like he's about to fall off or whatever.
Yeah, that's it. That's literally he
And
just starts
then-
screaming.
And then the shitty ass gay uncle's like, "Fuck you."
All right, we need to practice. 3, 2, 1. Start slamming your desks. All right, I have glass on my desk.
The
Let's-
king.
Hold on, let me like fix my desk full of this glass.
Damn, dude. He just farted, bro.
Let me get all the stuff off my desk.
Long live the king.
Hold on. All right, there we go. Fixed it.
Guys, I'm not on a desk at the moment, but I'll try my best to, you know.
We gotta wait for Bacon to come back.
I'll do it.
Oh, we lost one.
Another one bites the dust.
We lost Star.
Shit. Damn it!
Scar's down.
Scar down.
Wow. Scar down.
Scar down.
Scar down.
Scar.
She has 5 minutes before I kick up. There she is.
Oh, there's Scar.
Scar's back.
We need someone to be Simba or whatever.
No, we only need Mufasa. And,
Sorry. Mufasa. It's 1 minute.
We got the clip picture. You can use that.
Guys, remember that one movie that Disney made about a bunch of animals escaping the zoo?
Wait, what?
Zootopia?
What's that called?
Madagascar.
No, it's not. No, it's not. That's DreamWorks. I'm talking about Disney.
Kowalski.
Next raid, Moto Moto.
No, God, no, guys, do you not?
likes
Yeah,
you.
I
Do
think-
you guys not remember that movie? Let me show you. Let me. No, guys. I'm talking about this movie. 1 second. That one, The Wild.
I've never
Oh,
seen.
yeah.
I
It's like
never
this.
watched that.
You never watched
Never
it,
heard of it.
Same.
dude? It was either Madagascar or this cheap ass CGI remake.
We're all looking up with the giraffe.
The Wild.
It's Melvin.
It was a terrible movie, honestly.
And
The
the
son.
lion had to rescue his son.
Can you summarize the plot if you've seen it already? Then.
I've seen it. Okay, so all right, so basically, they're in a zoo, obviously,
Yes.
and the lion's shitty ass son decides to get kidnapped for some reason in New York City, and so they have to they escape the zoo,
And then they shoot it up.
and so the rest of the movie is just like a snake, a giraffe, a lion, and some other gay ass animal to go find the son,
Are you serious?
and then they eventually find the son, I think.
Surprising, you can still in.
I think. Let me. It's been a while since I've seen it. Let me look this up.
Synopsis time.
What's it called?
Oh yeah, see, he gets kidnapped. It gets fucking kidnapped.
The Wild.
Oh god, dude, this is definitely 2006, bro.
Wait, wait, I need someone to send me that recording, by the way, of the earlier one.
I did.
Should I stop recording now and put it into a different one?
No,
Dude,
the one that you did earlier, like the first raid.
It's all connected to one.
Just take that part off, and just keep the first raid.
Oh shit! And at one point, they're on this boat with like a bunch of these weird ass animals, and they sort of like